Which synonym belongs to rickety? The correct answer is unsteady. Which synonym belongs to dishearten? The correct answer is discourage. Which synonym belongs to explicit? The correct answer is manifest. Which synonym belongs to supernal? The correct answer is heavenly. Which synonym belongs to renounce? The correct answer is forsay. Which synonym belongs to loiter? The correct answer is linger. Which synonym belongs to check? The correct answer is checkmark. Which synonym belongs to dote? The correct answer is love. Which synonym belongs to travesty? The correct answer is feign. Which synonym belongs to circumspect? The correct answer is cautious. Which synonym belongs to apathetic? The correct answer is incurious. Which synonym belongs to muse? The correct answer is Pierian spring. Which synonym belongs to methodical? The correct answer is systematic. Which synonym belongs to mingle? The correct answer is confound. Which synonym belongs to staid? The correct answer is steady. Which synonym belongs to inflated? The correct answer is bloated. Which synonym belongs to revoke? The correct answer is restrain. Which synonym belongs to gibberish? The correct answer is gibber. Which synonym belongs to axiom? The correct answer is axioma. Which synonym belongs to girth? The correct answer is cinch.